Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Tech Facts and I'll be presenting some very interesting tech news. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon as whenever I post a video, you get the notification without fail. So, let's start. Government bans 47 more Chinese apps in India after TikTok 58 others banned in June. The new move comes just weeks after banning 59 Chinese apps. Government is set to examine a list of over 250 apps. So now let's see which are the apps which are going to get banned in India, which may also include PUBG. There are some random leaks regarding iPhone 12 that the entry level iPhone 12 series is going to have 5.4-inch LCD with 2227 mAh battery which is going to support LTE and 5G trims. The price starts from $549. The camera is going to support semi-O and semi-optical lenses which helps for better performance and improve autofocus. So let's see and get all our doubts cleared on August 8th. Finally guys, Google Pixel 4a is going to get released on August 3, 2020. The phone is going to have 3140 mAh battery with 18 watt of fast charging. The camera is going to be one on behind, while the screen will be the size of 5.7 inch to 5.8 inch roughly. So let's see what other specifications will be given by Google on the upcoming Pixel 4a. There has been a great leak regarding the upcoming Samsung series which is very much exciting. The series includes Samsung Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra smartphones, Galaxy Z Fold 2 and Galaxy Tab S7 S7 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra will have 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate. It's going to have triple camera setup having 108MP camera as the main, 12MP wide angle and 12MP periscope camera. The Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is going to have 7.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display and 6.23-inch panel on outside. It seems that phone is going to be a bit cheaper than the Samsung Galaxy Fold 1. The Samsung Tab S7 Plus is going to have 120Hz 12.4-inch AMOLED display with in-display fingerprint sensor. The chipset is going to be a Snapdragon 865 Plus LPDDR5 RAM starting from 6GB plus 128GB variant. The battery is going to be 10900 mAh with 45 watt fast charging. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 is going to have 7040 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging. It's going to have a 13MP sensor camera plus 5MP wide angle camera with a 8MP selfie camera. The screen size is going to be much smaller than Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So now let's see when these devices are going to hit the global market. The Black Shark 3S is going to get released on July 31st, 2020. The phone is supposed to have the latest Snapdragon 865 Plus processor and might have 144Hz refresh rate. But let's see at what price the phone is going to get launched. The Vivo S7 is arriving on August 3, 2020 which is supporting 5G. According to teasers, the phone will have a 44MP dual selfie camera and a block camera in the back. It's going to have a 765G processor with a screen of 6.43-inch OLED display. Looks like Vivo is bringing a tough rival to its competitive phone OnePlus Nord. So if you get an option between Vivo S7 and OnePlus Nord, which one are you going to buy? Please tell me in the comment section below. There has been leaks regarding the upcoming Realme smartphone Realme V5 which is going to have 6GB RAM or 8GB RAM with 120GB ROM. It's supporting Dimensity 720 chipset which is going to be octa-core supported at 2 GHz. The camera is going to be 48MP plus the screen is going to be nearly of 6.5-inch Full HD Plus resolution LCD. So are you interested in this phone? Tell me in the comment section below. Qualcomm will be soon launching a new charger, Quick Charge 5, which is going to have a battery support of 100 watt plus and which will let you fill a battery to 50% in just 5 minutes. Yeah, just 5 minutes. And full charge in 15 minutes. So let's see when this charger is going to get launched in the world as well as in India. The certificate has been leaked and from the certificate come to know that the Motorola Moto G9 Plus is soon going to get released. This is going to have 4700 mAh battery with 30 watt of fast charging and the least variant is going to get 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage. So let's see what are the leaks we come across as the days pass by. This has been teased on the page of Red Magic 5S that you can Chromecast your game which you play on the phone on your Android Smart TV, and then you can use your phone as a controller just like a Xbox or PlayStation. The phone is going to have 865 plus Snapdragon chipset with 240Hz touch sampling rate and 144Hz refresh rate. So are you interested in this phone? Tell me in the comment section below. The Sony has teased the upcoming Sony 4K VW295ES home theater projector. So let's see when this projector is going to get launched globally. Asus India has teased the upcoming Asus ZenBook 1314. So let's see when this Ultrabook is going to get launched in India. Oppo has teased that the Reno 4 Pro, which they are going to launch in a few days, is going to have a 65 watt Super VOOC 2.0 charging, which is going to charge your phone fully in just 36 minutes. So are you all really interested in this phone? Please tell me in the comment section below. Redmi India has teased that the Redmi 9 series is going to get launched on 4th of August 2020 at 12 noon. So let's see with what specifications and what price this phone is going to strike the Indian smartphone market. Xiaomi has released the new Aqua Skylight color variant for its Redmi K30 Pro and K30 Pro Zoom edition. So now let's see when this phone is going to get launched in India, with what specifications and price. Last but not the least, Boat has teased the upcoming headphones Rockers 450. So are you guys really interested in this headphone? Reply me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.